नमस्ते, थोड़ा खुश रहो बिटिया. Good morning to all of you. I am JVN, Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor and HOD in the Department of Community Medicines, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. This is a practical session about World Hypertension Day. So the World Hypertension Day is celebrated on every year on May 17th. The main aim of the day is to educate the public and increase awareness of hypertension, which is also commonly known as high blood pressure. Hypertension is a major cause of a range of health problems such as strokes, heart attacks, and kidney diseases, and also it can cause blindness and contribute to dementia. Many people who suffer from hypertension are not aware that they have it, as there can be no symptoms. Often people only find out after suffering a heart attack or stroke. So hypertension is considered as a classical example of iceberg phenomenon. In the previous lectures, I have told about what is a iceberg phenomenon of a disease. Uh, a short revision of iceberg phenomenon is तुम लोगों ने जब आइस के समुद्र के अंदर जो आइसबर्ग होता है उसका जो छोटा सा पार्ट होता है वो अपने को दिखाई देता है, बट जो बिग पोर्शन होता है, जो सबमर्स पोर्शन होता है, वो दिखाई नहीं देता है. तो जो कम्युनिटी के अंदर भी हाइपरटेंशन की सेम एज इट इज पोजीशन है कि जो छोटा सा जो ऊपर जो फ्लोटिंग पार्ट है वो बहुत ही स्मॉल पार्ट होता है, वो अपने को शो दिखता है, वो अपने को ऑब्जर्वेबल है. बट जो बड़ा जो लार्ज पार्ट होता है, जो सबमर्स पोर्शन होता है, वो दिखाई नहीं देता. यानी कि जो हाइपरटेंशन के जो साइन सिम्टम्स होते हैं वो बहुत जल्दी से अपीयर नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों में ये सिम्टम्स उसमें आ ही नहीं पाते हैं. जब बहुत ज्यादा कंडीशन सीवियर हो जाती है तो पीपल को वो पहचान पाते हैं कि हाँ उनको हाइपरटेंशन है. इसीलिए इसकी जो मेनली एसिम्प्टोमेटिक केसेस होते हैं हाइपरटेंशन के. So hypertension is very really a public health problem, and it is one of the leading causes of the premature death worldwide. Of estimated 1.13 billion people who have hypertension, fewer than 1 in 5 have it under control. Also, I have told about the rule of halves in your classrooms, that what is rule of halves in hypertension. Half of the people in a community are not diagnosed, and half of them, if diagnosed, are not treated properly. And if half of them are treated not regularly, or and half of them are taking regular and adequate treatment. So very few people among hypertension community are taking regular treatment. And the main contributors to the rise in hypertension are unhealthy diets, physical inactivity, and the consumption of alcohol and tobacco. To achieve the global target to reduce the prevalence of hypertension by 25% by 2025, WHO and the United States Center for Disease Control, it is CDC, and Prevention launched the Global Hearts Initiative in 2016. The day is organized by the World Hypertension League, it is WHL, which is an umbrella organization composed of 85 hypertension societies and leagues from all over the world. Now every year the theme is changed. So the theme for 2020 is Know Your Numbers, and it is made to raise awareness of the importance of measuring periodic blood pressures and knowing its normal levels. When the heart beats, blood is pumped into the vessels. Blood pressure is determined both by the amount of blood your heart pumps and the amount of resistance to blood flow in your arteries. The more blood your heart pumps and the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure. So it is considered normal in range if it is 120 to 130, if it is systolic blood pressure, and it is 80 to 85. It is diastolic pressure is considered as in within a normal range, and above this range it is mild, moderate, or severe hypertension. Now, some facts about the blood pressure is the high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, and it is defined as a systolic blood pressure equal or above 140 millimeter of mercury, or diastolic blood pressure equal or above 90 millimeter of mercury. 2 out of the 5 adults in the eastern Mediterranean region are affected by high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of premature death worldwide, and it is also called as a साइलेंट किलर विथ नो अपेरेंट सिम्टम्स. बहुत सारे पेशेंट में ऐसा होता है कि जिनमें प्रीवियसली डायग्नोस ही नहीं होता कि वो हाइपरटेंसिव था, बहुत टाइम तक एसिम्प्टोमेटिक रहता है, और सडनली जब अपीयर होता है तो किसके साथ में, कौन से सिम्टम्स के साथ में अपीयर होता है, आइदर सेरेब्रल स्ट्रोक और एमआई के फॉर्म में वो अपीयर हो सकता है, और कई बार तो एकदम सडन डेथ भी हो जाती है पेशेंट की. So the unhealthy lifestyles can increase the risk of high blood pressures, such as eating too much salts, being overweight, and not getting enough exercise, as well as using tobacco. So these are the precipitating factors which can increase blood pressure. Now, what are the objectives of celebrating World Hypertension is, it is raising awareness about the symptoms of hypertension, or educate about community or people the symptoms of hypertension. Encouraging blood pressure measurements means कि रेगुलर आप अपना ब्लड प्रेशर आफ्टर 30 और 35 ईयर्स के बाद में हर व्यक्ति को अपना ब्लड प्रेशर रेगुलरली चेक करवा लेना चाहिए. नोइंग मेथड्स ऑफ अर्ली प्रिवेंशन ऑफ हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, यदि चेक करवाने के बाद में आपको लग रहा है कि आप अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है, जस्ट आप इन रेंज में आए, माइल्ड आपका हाइपरटेंशन है, तो सिर्फ आप डाइट के थ्रू और एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू भी अपना ब्लड प्रेशर कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि आप स्टार्टिंग से ही मेडिकेशन पे आए. सो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ऐसे कौन से तरीके हैं जिनसे कि हाई ब्लड प्रेशर को होने से रोका जा सके. हाईलाइटिंग द प्रिवलेंस ऑफ हाई ब्लड प्रेशर इन सोसाइटी. Now, these are the 4 ways to maintain a healthy heart. The first one is most important, physical exercise. Every person should do either for 15 minutes or 20 minutes regular exercise to boost your heart. And healthy diet is very important part to prevent severe hypertension, stress management, and avoid tobacco and alcohol. So these are the main 4 ways to maintain a healthy heart, and this is our main concern of celebrating World Hypertension Day, to educate people about these 4 ways. So that's all today, the session about the practical session about the World Hypertension Day, and which is celebrated every year on 17th May. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And please, if you have any query related to these topics, do comments in comment box. Thank you.